Everyone, it's Brownstone here. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have yet another wig review for you guys. Today it's from a new company I haven't worked with yet. It's from RPGhair, and from my understanding this is a new packaging. I'm one of the first people who got their new packaging, so I definitely love the fact that they have a box. That is my favorite thing about packaging, is a good box, so I have storage for all my wigs. So yeah, let's go ahead and open it. So off top, when I open it, it comes with a brush, which I really do enjoy having, and the hair is in a plastic bag as well, and it comes with some wig caps, which are very much needed, and an elastic band if you need an elastic band to help have your wig fit a little bit more snug. Also, it came with this after sales service card. If you're not satisfied or anything, you could like return it using all of this. And then on the bottom half of it, it has special care tips for curly hair. So that's really helpful. I really do like that. So as far as the hair go, I did get a natural color. Density is 150. It's a lace front wig cap. The hair length is 12. The style of it was the Kim K bob, side bob type thing with the little waves in it. So I definitely wanted to try that out because I never had that before. So let's go ahead and open it. So of course there's the little net thing. So here's the little curls or waves. It's real soft waves to it. I would have expected it to be a little bit more wavy than this, but it is real short, so how much waves can you really put in a 12-inch bob anyways? I do love the texture of the hair. It's really soft to the touch. This definitely feels like a 150 density type bob. Usually when I get bobs, they're never like real thick how I want it to be, so this definitely does feel like a 150 density bob, and I do enjoy that. So here's how it looks on the inside. Has the two combs right here, the one in the back as well, and one in the middle. I'm not too fond of these middle combs just because I really don't understand why it's there. Like, it's really not necessary, but I do like the wig construction so far. Also, there's the little straps right here on the side, if I could get it out, to help make it more adjustable, which is why I never use the elastic bands, because the elastic bands that are already in the wig will already like adjust it really well for you, and my head is petite too, so I don't ever feel like I need this one right here. And I want to go ahead and show y'all the hairline as well. So hopefully y'all can see a little bit of that. It doesn't look too pre-plucked, honestly. Like, I'll have to go back in and pluck it a little bit more. I'm back. I fixed up the wig, took off the lace, did my baby hairs, as you can see. I'm not gonna show y'all all the way over here because I didn't do it all the way over there. But as far as the style goes, I like it. Maybe not that much as I would like to like it, just because I've never had a bob like this per se, so I think this is something I have to get used to. But I do like the texture of it. I think I like it better if it was straight, so maybe one of these days I'll straighten it or something. First, it's short, so you're not gonna get any tangling with this. This is 12 inches. It still does feel like a 150 density on me, so I do like that. Here's how it looks. I did pluck it just a little bit, not too much. I do love how soft this hair is, so I do continuously, like, you know, run my fingers through it. this is a style that's definitely gonna have to grow on me. It's not bad or anything like that. It's just I'm not used to this style on me. I think this hair would look cute if it was a different color too. So as far as a wig rating goes for this wig, so let me go ahead and tell y'all the pros. First of all, I do love the packaging. A good box packaging is always great because it's great for storage. It's 12 inches, so it doesn't tangle or anything, so I do like that. With short hair too, you don't really experience too much shedding. I haven't experienced too much shedding, or none at all actually. I haven't got any shedding so far, so that's also really good. It's really soft to the touch. So I wanted to go ahead and do a wig review for you guys, so let me go ahead and tell y'all the pros and the cons about this wig. Let me start with the cons. Just open it, just put it on, so I really don't know too much cons. I guess I'll just have to do a, you know, a return video for you guys to see if there was anything I find negative about this hair. I am about to wear it out, so we'll see how it looks. As far as the style, if you guys like short bob wigs, I guess this will definitely be a company to check out to see if this would be something for you. For me personally, I don't know if I like this too much on me. I think I like it better if it was straight, so maybe I have to straighten it to like it better, but I really do love the texture of it. I do like the length as well. Also, most importantly, the boxing. I love a good box packaging, so for them to have this type of packaging, I do love it. I don't know what their packaging was before because they did inform me that I am one of the first people to get this packaging. So definitely love this. What else do I need to say? As far as anything else go, oh, so it doesn't shed. I haven't experienced any shedding at all. And if you guys have ever had a bob wig, they don't tangle either. At least the ones I had. This hasn't tangled, and I've been running my fingers through it the entire time. As far as me wearing it too, it says it's a 150 density. I believe it. It does feel like it. It looks really full, so I do enjoy that as well. And I think the number one best part about this wig as well is the price. So this wig used to go for $128 on the website, but now it's $96. $96 for this quality wig. I definitely endorse it. I love it. That's a really great quality for a really great price. And this is Indian Remy hair as well, so $96 for this wig. That's really good. If y'all know me or been watching my wig reviews, y'all know some of my wigs are real pricey, so for this to go for $96, that's actually really amazing, and I really do like the quality of this hair as well. So for my first time with RPGhair, I would definitely give them an 8. I really do love the fact that this is good quality hair for a really good price. You know, some of us are balling on a budget, so for them to have this hair go for $96, I definitely love that. Like I said, I didn't really find any cons. As far as this hair review goes, that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what else y'all want to see from me. And I will see you guys next time.